GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Besties, let's do an unboxing, a mini haul from Temu, and then we're going to set up a small space in my classroom for fall. Mini pumpkins. This cushion cover, so gorgeous. I decided not to wash this one because I wasn't sure if it would have faded. This cushion cover I did wash though. I had Zone wash this one for me, and then the small cushion that I had in my classroom does not fit into this one, so I'm going to be using poly fillers to make a cushion out of that. I found this cute little autumn sign, God's way of showing us that change is beautiful. It is so important to have, conversations with your little ones, and so I found these, and these are some good conversation starters that we'll be having. I'm going to be using this with my daughter. She's going to be 11 soon, so that should be great. I found this scarf. Love this one. I do love a pretty scarf. I am actually wearing one right now that I stole from my sister. Well, she knows I stole it. This is the one. I'm wearing that right now. Very cutesy. Now this garland is a pack of 4. Boy, the scent, the odor that came from this. Oy, see how closely I put it to my nose. I probably shouldn't have done that. Straight out of China. So I'm going to be putting this in the sun because it's a work day, so that I can get rid of that odor, and then we're gonna put it back. So while I was busy putting this in the sun, I took my lanyard off and got locked out, so I had to wait a good half an hour for the custodians to let me back in. So Roberto was nice enough to open and let me back in. All right, I also did pick up this little blanket for Zone, her reading blanket. Her birthday's coming soon, so I'm trying to put together a little basket for her. I wish I would have gotten it in purple because she's loving purple. I got this top because I had a skirt, a satin skirt that I wanted to kind of cover up my rear end to wear to church, but this is a medium. Temu, like how is this so big for a medium? It's a really cute top, but it is so big. I don't know, it's not gonna work. So the belt, it came with a cute little belt, but see, I tried it on and it's too big. The belt is nice. Yeah, that could go, but yeah, it's too big, so no, it's not gonna work. All right, so I've had this cushion for a while, and so I'm gonna see if this one, I assumed that it would fit. So we're gonna take that cushion cover off, and we're gonna take that one home, and we're gonna wash that. Like I said before, I didn't wash this new one that I'm putting on because I didn't want it to fade just because it's coming from Temu. But it fits perfectly. Look at that. It fits. So initially I thought the other cushion cover would fit this cushion, but I tried it, it didn't work. So like I said earlier, I am going to be using poly fillers. See how tattered the bag is? I've had it for ages. So we're just gonna stuff it all in here. It came with a little stick that allows you to fill. If you were using like a smaller cushion, you could use the stick to adjust the filling, but we don't need that right now. And so I'm just gonna fluff and play around with it until it's flattened. All right, that's all done. So we're gonna keep that right there on my chair. All right, so next we're going to be decorating this space over here. My kids are not, most of them weren't very observant because I switched up over here and many of them did not even see it, but whatever. So I'm going to be using the garland right by where we have the little string lights. I'm going to be putting that over the lights, and then I'm going to be removing the peachy frames. I have other frames. I'm going to be moving the peach ones and just leave the white frames. I've had this cup for the longest while, so that's just a ribbon that's around the cup, and we're going to use that for a little vase later. This was also purchased, should have arrived with the other stuff that I unboxed in the first portion of the video, but it arrived late, and of course it's smaller than expected. It's still lovely. I like it. I do love the colors, and so we're going to find a spot for this on the wall. So that's what that is looking like. Tis the season to be thankful. So I'm going to remove the greenery right there. Do a little bit of dusting because I don't know where dust can come from. Like, we're in this space every day and it gets really dusty. It gets so dusty. The frames, the walls, like everything is really dusty. So I have to be dusting like me live here. But anyway, I spend a lot of time here. So I like to have it nice and cozy and it has to be clean. So we're doing a little bit of dusting, and then I'm going to remove the greenery because if the leaves are falling, we don't want to have too much greenery over here. Okay, so the colors are popping. Here are the little pumpkins. So we're going to be putting the pumpkins on the wall. Away with the greenery because the leaves are falling. Come on, let's go. So we had 8 little pumpkins, and so I'm going to be putting 3 together on one side and 3 on the other side. These little guys are going to go here to replace the little green plant that we had going on, and then I think I'll figure some place out to put the 2 remaining pumpkins. I switched out my black tray, which I had the critics corner in, for an orange one just because it goes with the theme. And then let's make a quick bouquet here. We're going to be using this cup. I picked up 3 of these at my Dollar Tree. It might be a little scanty. I don't know. We're going to stick it in here and see what they look like. I'm going to use my floral cutter to cut the stems to make sure they fit. All right, that's all done. I'm feeling better in this space already. That leaf is a little bit big. Can't be tucked away anywhere, so we're just gonna let it be. All right, next I'm just replacing the frames. So they're gonna be all creamish color. Just like so. And can you see my little pumpkin? I drew that pumpkin. I'm not an artist, but I did draw that pumpkin myself, and I didn't even look at anything to draw the pumpkin. All right, we're going to finish off by trying to figure out lighting. So the lights are behind the garland, so I'm going to be trying to see if I can find the right glare, the right lighting for these. All right, so this is the finish, you guys. And then I'm also going to be turning the lights out. So the lights are off right now. How cozy is this? This is what it's looking like. I think it turned out pretty. It makes me happy to just walk in here every day. If you made it this far, do interact with the video, whether you're going to subscribe or you're going to leave us a comment, leave us a thumbs up, whatever it is that you do. And thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.